Okay guys, what's up? So Master Tech at your service once again. So first of all, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if this video is helpful to you, okay? So GoTranscript audio test answer as of October 9, 2019. So another update and of course another script for the audio, okay? Grabe guys, ang bilis lang nilang magpalit ng audio ngayon, no? Ng GoTranscript, okay? So anyway guys, just recently uploaded a video regarding to this matter. That was 2 weeks ago if I'm not mistaken, and now there's another update, and this is the new audio test update. Let us hear it guys.
One of the greatest issues that we have with outsourcing is depending what you're outsourcing, the people who are running the programs, the people who are, shall we say, at the keyboards, whatever it happens to be, are removed from the company. So firstly, they generally don't get the culture of your company. Secondly, to them it's just a job. Say for example you outsource application development.
Okay guys, so the new audio test is so horrible, okay? So pinapahirapan na yata talaga nila yung mga applicants nila, no? So ang hirap intindihin. So anyway guys, this is the script that I made, and it took me 1 day to create this script, and I think there's more things to improve, okay? So I managed to get rid of it guys, just for you guys, just para sa inyo lahat ito guys, para meron kayong basis and para meron kayong guide, okay? So I'm doing this for you, for all of you. And guys, as you notice, there's inaudible part here. There's 2 inaudible part, okay? So what is inaudible words? Inaudible words are the words that you cannot understand from the speaker, okay? So you need to transcribe this, and you need to change this into words, okay? So the GoTranscript guidelines, you can find it on Google. Just search it, GoTranscript guidelines, and you can find it automatically. And these 2 dashes guys, okay, so these 2 dashes represent that the speaker changes his or her thoughts, okay? So I'm going to copy all of these. Okay, so for me guys, there's only 2 speaker, okay? Sa pagkakarinig ko so ewan ko sa inyo kung isa din yung pagkakarinig yung speaker, or dalawa rather. And speaker label must be bold. Okay guys, there are also a shortcut here, which is escape, play or pause. F1 skip back 2 seconds, skip forward, okay, timestamp, inaudible. Okay, so this is the final script, and I'm not going to send it for review because it's just, I'm using this for just a dummy account, and I'm using this to help all of you, okay? So anyway, the transcription guidelines before taking an exam, please make sure to read this and review your work before submitting your work, okay? So double check my script guys. I know I'm not perfect, and this script is not perfect, and there's more room to improve. So it's up to you guys. So for me, do not copy and paste this and send this as your final work, okay? So it's not 100% accurate, okay? So but I hope this script, this video help all of you, okay? So God bless, and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, okay?